Have you ever wondered if those popular detox teas actually deliver on their promises? After years as a nutritionist, I've seen countless clients spend hundreds on these trendy products. Today, I'm sharing what science really says about detox teas and what actually works for supporting your body's natural detoxification systems. Have you ever stood in the health food aisle, staring at colorful boxes of detox tea, wondering if these little tea bags could truly be the secret to cleansing your body of toxins, boosting your metabolism, and helping you shed unwanted pounds? I certainly have. Years ago, after a particularly indulgent holiday season, I found myself reaching for a 14-day detox tea program that promised to flush toxins and reset my system. What followed was an experience that sparked my journey into understanding the science behind these popular products. The appeal of detox teas is undeniable. In our fast-paced world where processed foods, environmental pollutants, and stress seem unavoidable, the idea of a simple tea that can purify our bodies feels like a welcome solution. The packaging is often beautiful, the health claims compelling, and the before and after testimonials seemingly miraculous. But what's the real story behind these products that have created a multi-billion-dollar industry? When I first tried that detox tea program, I did notice some immediate effects. I felt lighter, less bloated, and even dropped a couple of pounds in the first week. Success, right? Not exactly. As I later learned through both personal experience and scientific research, there's much more to the detox tea story than what clever marketing tells us. The detox tea I was using contained a blend of herbs, including senna leaf, a natural laxative. My detox experience was simply the result of increased trips to the bathroom, leading to temporary water weight loss. When I stopped the tea, not only did the weight return, but I found myself dealing with digestive discomfort as my body readjusted. This experience led me to dive deep into the scientific literature on detoxification. What I discovered was fascinating. Our bodies already have sophisticated detoxification systems built in. The liver, kidneys, digestive system, lungs, and skin all work together to process and eliminate waste and toxins. No tea, juice, or supplement can replace these complex biological processes. The term detox has been co-opted by marketers to sell products that claim to accelerate or enhance these natural processes. However, scientific evidence supporting these claims is notably lacking. Most studies on detox products are small, poorly designed, or funded by the companies selling the products themselves. Let's look at some common ingredients in detox teas and what science actually says about them. Senna leaf and Cascara sagrada are natural laxatives that can cause increased bowel movements and water loss. While they may create a temporary feeling of detoxification, they actually have no effect on toxin removal and can cause electrolyte imbalances and digestive issues with prolonged use. Dandelion and milk thistle are often included for their supposed liver-supporting properties. While preliminary research suggests these herbs may have some beneficial effects on liver function, the evidence isn't strong enough to support the dramatic claims made by most detox tea manufacturers. Green tea and oolong tea contain antioxidants that may have modest health benefits, but these benefits come from regular consumption over time, not from a short-term detox regimen. Ginger and peppermint can aid digestion and reduce bloating, which may contribute to feeling better during a detox tea program, but they're not actually detoxifying your body. The weight loss commonly reported by detox tea users is primarily due to water loss, not fat loss. When people return to their normal eating and drinking patterns, this weight typically returns quickly. Some detox teas also contain caffeine and other stimulants that may temporarily increase metabolism, but these effects are minor and short-lived. This isn't to say that all detox teas are harmful or completely without merit. Many contain herbs that can support overall health when used appropriately. The problem lies in the exaggerated marketing claims and the way these products are positioned as quick fixes for complex health issues. During my research, I spoke with Dr. Sarah Jenkins, a hepatologist specializing in liver health. She explained, the liver is incredibly efficient at removing toxins from the body. The best way to support your liver is through a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate hydration, and avoiding excess alcohol and processed foods. No tea or supplement can replace these fundamentals. I've also interviewed numerous dietitians who express concern about the psychological impact of detox culture. The cycle of indulgence followed by restrictive detoxing can contribute to unhealthy relationships with food and body image. Many detox programs promote severely reduced calorie intake, which can lead to nutrient deficiencies and metabolic disruptions if followed long-term. So, what should you do if you're feeling sluggish, bloated, or concerned about environmental toxins? Here are science-backed strategies that actually support your body's natural detoxification processes. Stay well hydrated with plain water. Water helps flush waste products through your kidneys and supports every detoxification pathway in your body. Aim for about 2 to 3 liters daily, adjusting for your activity level and climate. Eat plenty of fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Fiber helps maintain regular bowel movements, which is essential for eliminating waste products from your digestive system. It also feeds beneficial gut bacteria that play a role in overall health. Consume foods that support liver function, such as cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, garlic, onions, and leafy greens. These foods contain compounds that may help optimize the liver's detoxification pathways. Reduce your intake of processed foods, excessive alcohol, and added sugars, which can burden your liver and other detoxification organs. Exercise regularly. Physical activity increases blood circulation and lymphatic flow, enhances sweating, which can eliminate some toxins through the skin, and supports metabolic health. Get adequate sleep. During sleep, your brain and body perform critical maintenance and repair functions, including processing and eliminating waste products. Manage stress through practices like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Chronic stress can impair immune function and disrupt many bodily processes, including detoxification. After my detox tea experience and subsequent research, I've adopted these evidence-based approaches instead of relying on quick-fix products. I drink herbal teas that I enjoy for their flavor and potential health benefits, without expecting them to detoxify my body or lead to dramatic weight loss. One of my favorite daily rituals now is starting the morning with a cup of warm water with lemon. This simple practice helps hydrate me after a night's sleep and may provide a small boost to digestion. I view it as a pleasant habit that supports my overall health, rather than a detox solution. I've also found that periodic gentle adjustments to my diet, like increasing vegetable intake and reducing processed foods for a week or two after a period of indulgence, help me feel better without the extreme approaches often promoted in detox programs. The most important lesson I've learned is that supporting your body's natural functions through consistent healthy habits is far more effective than seeking quick fixes. Your body is remarkably capable of maintaining balance when given the right tools. If you're considering a detox tea or similar product, I encourage you to approach the marketing claims with healthy skepticism. Ask yourself, does this product promise results that seem too good to be true? Is there credible scientific evidence supporting these claims? What are the potential risks or side effects? Could I achieve similar benefits through sustainable lifestyle changes? Remember that genuine health improvements rarely come from a box of tea or a bottle of juice. They come from consistent habits that support your body's incredible natural abilities. By focusing on nutrition, hydration, physical activity, stress management, and adequate rest, you're providing your body with everything it needs to function optimally, including efficient detoxification. So the next time you're tempted by a detox tea promising miraculous results, consider investing that money in fresh produce instead. Your body will thank you with genuine, lasting health benefits that no quick-fix solution can provide. If you found this information helpful in navigating the often confusing world of health products, click subscribe for more evidence-based health content without the hype. And I'd love to hear your experiences with detox products in the comments below. What worked for you? What didn't? Let's learn from each other and build a community focused on sustainable, science-based approaches to health and well-being.